In this video, I'm going to talk about how to put social links on Roblox profile and how we can do it. So let's get started. So if you wanted to add the social profile, anything that is YouTube, for example, Facebook or Twitter, if you wanted to add it, how we can do it. So to do so, what you need to do is, first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the roblox.com on website on a Google Chrome or any other search. And from here, you have to click on the settings. Now from here, go to the settings over here. And right there, as you can see, if you scroll it down a little bit, we can see there is an option called social networks. And we have options for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and even for the card there. So if you wanted to add it, for example, I'm just going over here and click on the YouTube. And what I'm trying to do is this is my personal profile. What I'm trying to do is I'm just go over here. So I'm just going over here and randomly selecting this, and I'm just going back to the Roblox, and over here you can see I'm just going to paste it, and this is my YouTube profile, and just go over here and save it. It says there is an issue, so what I'll do is I'll just go over here, I'll go to the YouTube studio, and I'll just copy this particular one and go back over here, and I'm just removing this and I'm just pasting it and just press enter, and it says there is an issue with it. So I'll do one thing. I just need to go over here. I'll go over here to my YouTube. Sorry, I'll demonstrate to you like this. Sorry, I'll do one thing. There is an issue that is okay. So I'll just go to home. So this is where it is. And I'll do one thing. I'll just type here my parent YouTube channel that's called Get Troy Chips. This is my parent channel. So I'll do one thing. I'll just copy this over here. Once I copy this, I just go back over here in the settings. Now over here, as you can see, I'll remove this, and this time I'll paste it with the name. So make sure that you have to paste the name along with your YouTube and just go for save. So it says it is successfully done. And once it is successfully done, if I just go back to my profile over here, as you can see, this is my profile, that NXC Viper, and if I click on this particular YouTube icon, that is going to take you to my current YouTube channel. And this is how we can do it. And I hope this cake video is helpful. That's it. Bye.